scoot some more?
Come
Come on.
Come, Peppa. Come, Peppa. Come on. Now you got your arms crossed. You're not going to be able to do it. There you go. Come on. There you go.
You scoot some more?
Come on. Come, Peppa. Come, Peppa. Come on. You gotta get your legs down. There you go. There you go. Now come. There you go. He's getting his legs down as good as he did yesterday. Come on. That's good.
Holden. Come here. Come here. Excuse you.
Come here. He's trying.
Keep coming.
I'm tired.
Keep coming.
Come, Peppa. Come, Peppa. Come, Peppa. Come to Peppa. He's still trying to see. He's getting his legs under him like he did yesterday.